There's a lie you've been told your entire life. You need to be rich to achieve financial freedom. Wrong. The truth? Financial freedom isn't about how much you make. It's about how you think, act, and manage money. You could be earning six figures and still be trapped in a financial nightmare. Or you could be making a modest income and unknowingly building your escape route to wealth. So, how do you know if you're on the right track? There are hidden signs, subtle but powerful signals that prove you're closer than you think, and average people miss them. If you recognize even a few of these signs, congratulations, you're building real wealth even if you don't feel it yet. If not, don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to get there. I always create valuable videos just for those of you ready to take control of your wealth and live life on your own terms. This one is also one of them. So, subscribe the Wealthy channel and let's dive in. Number 1. You've cracked the code of high-effort money versus low-effort money. Population at large are stuck in a cycle: wake up, work, get paid, repeat. Ask yourself, how do you make money right now? High-effort money requires your time like salary, freelancing, side gigs, and low-effort money earns for you even when you sleep like investments, royalties, automated businesses. Most people stay stuck in the high-effort money trap, trading time for dollars, paycheck to paycheck, never realizing they could escape. The rich don't just earn, they multiply money through passive income, stocks, real estate, online businesses, and royalties. Instead, start small. Invest just 10% of your income into assets. Think about this. If you had put just $100 into Amazon stock in 2001, it would be worth over $170,000 today. If you've started making even $1 of passive income, you're no longer just working for money. Your money is working for you. That's a hidden sign of wealth. Number 2, you've stopped thinking like an employee. The trap of the 9-to-5 mindset? Thinking that the only way to get rich is through promotions and raises. If your only plan is climbing the corporate ladder, you're climbing someone else's dream. Real wealth isn't built on salaries, it's built on equity, ownership, and scalable income. If your entire income depends on your job, you're one recession away from financial ruin. Your boss can replace you in a day, but your assets can grow forever. Instead, use your job as a tool. Save aggressively, start a side hustle, and invest. Emma, an IT employee, started an e-commerce business on weekends. Within 3 years, her store made twice her salary, and she quit corporate life for good. If you're still relying only on a paycheck, you're not financially free, you're financially fragile. Number 3, you know the 1-year rule of financial independence. Ask yourself this: if you stopped working today, how long could you survive? Most people answer, a few weeks. That's not financial security, that's financial slavery. The wealthy don't live paycheck to paycheck. They have a freedom fund that lets them survive without a job for years. The mistake? Saving just enough to survive instead of enough to buy freedom. Start by saving at least 1 year's worth of expenses in a separate account. Jake, a graphic designer, saved 12 months of expenses and started freelancing. Now, he travels the world, works on his terms, and never fears layoffs. If your savings can buy you time, you're not stuck, you're free. Number 4, you understand that time is more valuable than money. When individuals prioritize money over time, they often find themselves trapped in a cycle of working excessively, neglecting relationships, and missing out on life's experiences. This mistake leads to burnout, regret, and a sense of emptiness despite financial gains. To shift towards true financial freedom, it's vital to prioritize time management, invest in experiences that enrich life, and build passive income streams. Instead of trading time for money endlessly, focus on creating systems and investments that generate income without constant effort. Jim Rohn famously said, "Time is more valuable than money. You can get more money, but you cannot get more time." Prioritize time as your most valuable asset. Invest it wisely in activities that bring fulfillment and build sustainable wealth. Shift your mindset from solely chasing money to creating systems and investments that leverage time for long-term prosperity. Number 5, you've stopped chasing status symbols. People waste thousands of dollars trying to impress people they don't even like. Luxury cars, designer clothes, and overpriced gadgets, they don't equal wealth. In fact, The Millionaire Next Door found that most millionaires drive used cars and live in average homes, while broke people buy Mercedes on credit. Real wealth is quiet. Fake wealth is loud. Before buying anything, ask yourself, would I still want this if no one could see it? If the answer is no, don't buy it. True success isn't in what you wear. It's in what you own. Number 6, you see debt as a tool. Here's something that schools never taught us. Debt is not always bad. The wealthy use debt to make more money, while the poor use it to buy things they can't afford. Are you paying off credit cards aggressively while using loans for assets like real estate or business growth? Instead of buying a $50K car with a loan, invest that money in rental properties and use rental income to pay off his car in cash. That's how the rich play the game. Grant Cardone says in the 10X rule, you won't get rich without clear, specific, and massive goals. Without a plan, people fall into the paycheck-to-paycheck trap, making random financial decisions that lead to nowhere. Look at Kevin O'Leary from Shark Tank. He didn't stumble into wealth. He planned every step from launching his software business to negotiating its billion-dollar sale. Define your financial goal in numbers and deadlines. Break it down. How much do you need monthly? Where will the money come from? What investments will compound it? Write your plan, track progress, and adjust when needed. Success isn't accidental, it's engineered. Number 8, you have a money growth mindset. The average persons believe they'll always be broke because of their job, economy, or bad luck. The wealthy? They believe they can learn, adapt, and grow their money. Are you constantly learning about investing, money management, and financial growth? Mark had zero knowledge about stocks. Instead of ignoring it, he started reading books, watching finance videos, and investing little by little. 5 years later, his portfolio was worth $200K. If you're developing financial literacy and treating money like a skill, you're already winning. The more you know, the less money mistakes you make, which means wealth comes faster. So, how many of these signs do you see in your life? If you recognized at least 5, congratulations. You're already ahead of most people. If not, now is the best time to start. If you're serious about getting rich, it's not just about watching this video. It's about applying everything we've shared. If this video helped you, like it, share it with someone who could benefit, and subscribe for more wealthy knowledge. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us. See you in the next video.